Dear students, so now I am going to solve the problem from the old question paper, from the board question paper. So this question is, they have asked twice. It is a March 2015 and July 2015. So bit different example they have given. So dear students, now the question is, prove that, I'm going to read row wise. A square plus 1, AB, AC, AB, B square plus 1, BC, CA, CB, C square plus 1 is equal to 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square. So before finding the value of the determinant, see, he has asked us to prove this answer. This answer, 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square is the answer we have to prove now. But usually first guessing work is, it is your duty to see that 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square, is it possible for us to see that this should be a common factor? You make such operations, see that this 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square will come, whether it will come as a common factor or not. Suppose if it is not coming as a common factor, then definitely we'll have to think other operations. Now, I've taken LHS, I've taken this a problem. See, in the first column, for all elements, I have multiplied by A and divided by A. So there is no change. With the red color, I have clearly mentioned. So no change. First element of R1. So in the first column, what I did is, somehow I have introduced A into the column 1, but I have to balance it like this. So for your clarity point of view, what I did is, every element of first column I have multiplied by A and divided by A. So with the red color I have written here. Suppose if the red color items, red color A get cancelled, A square plus 1 element, AB blue ink, again AB, there is no change in the elements. The similar way, I have introduced B in the column 2. That means every element of column 2 I have multiplied by B and divided by B. That's what with the black I have written. With the blue, the elements are same, which you have given the determinant. And in the third column here, in the third column, I have introduced C. That is, in the third column, each and every element multiplied by C and divided by C. Then, what for I am doing it is like, see here, in the first element, in the first row, A square is there. That means in the answer, A square is there. But B square is not at all there. That is the reason in the second column, this element I have multiplied by B. That means B into B square, there is a chance. Third column I have multiplied by C because C square. So there is a chances that A square plus B square plus C square may create in the determinant. Okay, now taken, look at here. Here it is 1 by A. Taking 1 by A common factor from C1. Here in this, I am writing here, look at here. So 1 by A, if I take common factor, then A into A square plus 1. 1 by A I have taken common factor, that is A square B. 1 by A I have taken common factor, therefore A square C, A into A. In the second column, 1 by B I have taken common factor here. In this 1 by B, if I take common factor, then second column, AB square, 1 by B I have taken common factor. B into B square plus 1. 1 by B I have taken common factor here, therefore B square C. In the third column I have taken 1 by C common factor. That's what clearly I have written here. In the third column I have taken 1 by C. 1 by C means 1 by c common factor means ac square, bc square and c into c square plus 1. That means LHS is equal to 1 by ABC, 1 by ABC. Again, what I did is, look here, in the first row I have taken a common factor, here I am writing. In the second row I have taken b common factor. In the third row I have taken c common factor, here, first. This is already completed, 1 by ABC. 1 by ABC, that is from column it has come. 1 by A, 1 by B, 1 by C. From column I have taken here, column 1, column 2, column 3. Here, this is row 1 and row 2 and row 3. And first row A I have taken common factor. Then what happened? A square plus 1, B square, C square. In the second row here, in the second row I have taken B common factor. Therefore A square, B square plus 1, C square. In the third row I have taken C common factor. Look here. Third row I have taken C common factor. Therefore A square, B square and C square plus 1. So therefore anyhow this ABC get cancelled. Now which operation I am doing now? Look at. See why I am doing A square. See column wise is such element. Column 1, column 2. A square, B square, C square 1. A square, B square, C square 1. A square, B square, C square 1. That means if I add C1 plus C2 plus C3, if I add C1 plus C2 plus C3, definitely I'll get 1 plus A square plus B square is common factor. So therefore, what is the operation now? First, what is unchanged? This is the original body, that is after surgery, after operation. So after operation, before operation, I am going to do surgery on this. So original body or before operation. First, for this determinant, after surgery determinant, there must be some rows and some columns must be unchanged. What is that? The operation what I have taken C1 plus C2 plus C3. Column wise we are writing. Therefore, total how many columns are there? C1, C2, C3 in the before operation. But in the, this is the type of operation I am doing. In this operation, first place, what is visible? Here, look at here. What is visible here? Here, C1 is visible in the first place. That C1 has to be get cancelled. Then these two are unchanged. Look at it. Column 2. Look at column 2. Here in this. Column 2 unchanged. Column 3 here, old one. Original, there is before operation. C square, C square, C square plus 1. C square, C square, C square plus. That is column 2, column 3 are unchanged. I have written here. Here this is. Now, C1 plus C2 plus C3 in this. In this I am doing, no. In this body only surgery I am doing. Adding C1, C2, C3, I am going to, after adding you get some result. That new result I am going to add it into C1. I am going to write in C1. That means definitely we came to know that C1 will be changed. That means change it in new C1 or new C1. How you get new C1? Operating C1 plus C2 plus C3. Okay, now we do it. C1 plus C2 plus C3. After adding, the result has to be entered into C1 only. A square, here like this. A square plus 1 plus B square plus C square. That is 1 systematically 1 plus A square plus B square I have written here. Again, A square plus B square plus 1 plus C square. Again, systematically 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square. Here I have written. Again, A square plus B square plus C square plus 1 or systematically 1 plus A square. That means 1 plus A square plus B square, 1 plus A square plus B square, 1 plus A square plus B square in the first column. So you take the first column, common factor outside. First column, common factor, that is you get 1, 1. First column, common factor I have taken 1, 1, 1, B square plus 1, B square. Second column and third column remains same. Now, till this we got it now. Now I'll show you how to go for remaining final completion of this. So final completion, how we can do this. 1 plus A square plus B square is the answer you have to get. I think you have written this. While if at all you want to write the notes, you can pause the video and write here. So now this is the step, we got it now. last step I want to write here, then I'll complete this problem. So the last step is where we got LHS is equal to 1 plus, look here, 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square, determinant, what is this? 1, 1, 1, b square plus 1, b square, and again c square plus 1. Now this is the last, we got it. So now presently this is our present body. Now the patient is like this. Now I am going to do operation on this now, surgery on this body. So that is, this is the now before surgery body, before surgery. Now what operation I'll do, look at here, I'll show you now in this. R2 minus R1 I'll do, so that this element will become 0. B square plus 1 B square, okay, this is leave it. C square minus C square, this element will become 0. Again R1 minus R3 I'll do it. 1 minus 1, this is 0. B square minus B square, this is 0. And this one, therefore 1, 2, 3. So principal, one side of the principal diagonal elements will become 0. Therefore in this body, what is taking? 2 surgeries I am going to take on this. Taking R2 minus R1, that means now only you come to know that R2 minus R1 result you are going to enter into R2, that means R2 you find a change. Therefore new R2 will be formed by, and the second surgery R3 minus R1, R3 minus R1 means result I am going to write it to after subtracting R3 and minus R1. Result will be written R3, that means R3 will be definitely, you can find change, that means new R3 or changed R3. Yes, these 2 operations I am going to do now. So these 2 operations how I am going to do, look at here, first I read the, so on this I am going to do the, I'm going to perform the surgery on this, that is before surgery body this is. After surgery, here, after surgery, definitely first you find some changes. So space for rows row, space for first row, space for second row, space for third row. First, come on, what is unchanged? How many rows are there? 3. R1, R2, R3. Look at here. In the first surgery, in the first place, what is visible? R2. That R2 you cancel it. In the second surgery, first place, what is visible? R3. What is visible? R3. So therefore R3 cancelled. That means R1 is unchanged. So even though after surgery also R1 is unchanged, R1 you write unchanged, 1 B square and C square. Look at here, before surgery, after surgery, minimum I told you 1 row and 1 column must be unchanged. Now operation starts. Here, so what you have decided here, R2 minus R1, result should be written in R2 now. R2 minus R1, look at this here like this. 1 minus 1, 0, you write in R2. B square plus 1 minus B square, 1. And C square minus C square, 0. Like this. See that? New R2. See here, before surgery, R2 was 1, B square plus 1, C square. After surgery, 0, 1, 0 changed. Therefore, that is the reason. New R2, or changed R2. How you got it? New R2. New R2 we obtained by doing surgery on old body of R2 minus R1. Okay, next, this is completed. First surgery is over. Second surgery, R3 minus R1, result to be written in R3. Okay, R3 minus R1. Just I'm going to change the color like yes, blue or black color. I'm going to take our green color. See that? R3 minus R1, like here, 1 minus 1, 0. B square minus B square, 0. And C square plus 1, C square. That is 1. But already we are aware that here LHS is equal to how much we have? LHS is equal to 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square is a common factor as outside. Then remaining is LHS is equal to 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square this value of the determinant becomes 1. Why it is becomes 1? So this is the principal diagonal. One side of principal diagonal elements are zeros. The value of the determinant can be obtained by multiplying the diagonal elements. 1 into 1 into 1, 1. Therefore, the final result will be 1 plus a square plus b square plus c square, which is equal to RHS. Dear student, this is the one important. Always operations. This is the, I told you again here. After that, this is the original body. On this body, we are doing operation. After operation, this is the just after operating. This is after operation. So after operation, definitely there will be some change as well as there will be some unchange also. Complete body cannot be changed after operation. So this one you can remember. Thank you, dear students. Please note down. And here in this, as I am writing, this is the video. Before that, I'm rubbing some of the steps lines. So whenever it's necessary, you pause the video and zoom it and write, or you can take screenshot and write it. So thank you, dear students.